For the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in services.msc and click on enter. Once you're on it, we're going to scroll down and then we're going to look for connected user experience. If you don't want to send your data to Microsoft, you want to right click on it and then click on properties and then make sure that the startup type is on disabled and click on OK. Next, you want to right click on it and then click on stop if it lets you click on it. So click on stop. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in settings, click on it. Then we're going to head over to accessibility and then you want to click on visual effects. If you want to get the best performance, then you can just turn off everything here, including animation effects. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in task manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to head over to startup apps, and then you want to disable all the apps that you don't want to start when your computer turns on. The way to do that is by clicking on it and then click on disable. And you can check right here under status which ones turn on when your computer turns on. For the next step, we're going to head over to search, type in run, then we're going to type in clean mgr and click on enter. Now, we're going to clear all the temporary files on all of our drives. So first I'm going to start with my C drive, click on OK. Make sure everything here is highlighted and click on clean up system files. And then click on OK on the same drive. Once this loads up, you want to make sure that everything is highlighted again and then click on OK and then click on delete files. You can repeat that method for all of your drives on your computer. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in add or remove programs, click on it. Then you want to remove all the apps that you don't want installed in your computer. The way to remove it is by clicking on the three dots and then click on uninstall and click on uninstall again and follow the steps to uninstall it. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in storage settings. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to make sure that storage sense is turned on and then we're going to head over into it and then click on run storage sense now. After you do that, we're going to go back and then we're going to click on clean up recommendations. You want to select recycle bin, downloads and temporary Windows installation files and click on clean up. For the next step, we're going to click on privacy and security and then you want to click on diagnostics and feedback and then you want to make sure that this is off. Next, we're going to head over to gaming, then we're going to click on game mode and then you want to make sure that this is turned on. Once that's been done, we're going to head over to the system tab and then we're going to click on power. And then you want to make sure that power mode is set to best performance. For the next method, head over to search and type in notifications and actions. Click on it. Once you're on it, you could just turn off your notifications. For the next method, head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. Once you're on it, click on power options on the top. And then you want to choose high performance, or you may have ultra high performance. But if you don't see high performance, then click on create a power plan, and then it might be here. And then click on next, follow the step, and you can get it. But if you still don't see it, then click on the arrow right here, and it might show. But if it doesn't show, then just stay on balance. For the next method, head over to search and type in view advanced system settings. Click on it. And then you're going to click on settings on the performance tab right here, and then click on adjust for best performance, and click on OK. For the next step, head over to search and type in file explorer. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to head over to this PC. You can repeat this method for all your drives. First, I'm going to start with my C drive. I'm going to right click on it, click on properties, and then click on details. Once this loads up, click on temporary files, and wait for this to load. Once it loads up, you can select everything here, and then click on remove files. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to check for updates and do the updates that you may have. For the last method, we're going to head over to search and type in virus and threat protection. Click on it. Once you're on it, click on scan options, and then you want to do a full scan first, click on scan now. After you do a full scan, you want to do a Microsoft Defender offline scan and click on scan now. Once you complete all the methods in this video, your computer will be way faster.